In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your name in the Chime app. Whether you've had a legal name change or you're just looking to update your profile, changing your name in the Chime app is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and get your name updated in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to open the Chime app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see your account balance and recent transactions. From here, look at the bottom of your screen to find the menu options. You'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you're in the Profile section, scroll down until you find the Personal Info option. This is where you can manage all your personal details associated with your Chime account. Tap on Personal Info to proceed to the next screen. On this page, you'll see several fields containing your personal information. Look for the field labeled Name and tap on it. This is where you can enter your updated name. Make sure you type in your new name exactly as you want it to appear on your account. Double check for any spelling errors or typos, as accuracy is key here. Once you've entered your new name, there might be some verification steps that you need to complete. This could include confirming your identity through security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your request is processed without any issues. After you've completed any necessary verification, submit your request. Your information will then be reviewed by Chime's support team. This review process is usually quick, but it may take some time, so be patient. Once your request is approved, you'll receive a notification and your name will be updated on your Chime account. And that's how to change your name in the Chime app. It's a simple process that helps ensure your account reflects your current personal details. If you ever need to update other information, remember these steps, as many changes in the app follow a similar process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Chime's customer support for more personalized help.